In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use customer accounts in Shopify. Customer accounts help shoppers track orders, manage their details, and enjoy a smoother checkout experience. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Customer Accounts. This section controls how customers sign up and log into your store. Now you'll see different account options available. Choose the option you want for your store, such as allowing customers to log in with classic accounts or the newer customer accounts experience. After selecting your preferred option, make sure the Show Login Links feature is enabled. This adds login and account links directly to your storefront so customers can easily sign in or create accounts. Next, click Save to apply your changes. Once customer accounts are enabled, visitors to your store will be able to create accounts, log in, track orders, save addresses, and manage their purchase history more easily. To test everything, head over to your storefront and look for the account or login icon usually located in the header area of your website. Click it and you'll see options for customers to sign in, create an account, or manage their profile. And that's it. You've successfully enabled customer accounts in Shopify, helping create a more personalized shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.